Okay, this is the financial maths question prep for the June exam. And it's this grade 11 financial maths. And so let's just get started and try this thing here. It says you have an investment of 25,000 Rand and it grows to 31,755 Rand and 93 cents in 3 years. If the interest rate is compounded monthly, determine the per annum interest rate. Okay, so how do you do this? Well, this is the formula that's given on every sheet for compound interest. A stands for what the amount that the investment grows to. P is the original investment. And I is the interest rate. And N is the number of periods. In grade 8 and 9, it was the number of years, but it could be the number of months or quarterly, how many every 3 months, how many quarterly sessions it happens. Anyways, let's just try it. So 25,000 grows to this amount. Well, that means 25,000 is the P, the investment you start with. And it grows to 31,000, so you fill it in like that. Then it's 1 plus I, but it says compounded monthly, and you've got to go I divided by 12. We don't know what the interest rate is. We're going to figure it out. But it's compounded for 3 years. Well, you have to go 3 times 12 months in a year. That makes 36. Now we're going to solve for I, and it's just basic solving an equation. This is multiplying by 25,000, so we divide both sides by 25,000. Now we have this 1 plus I over 12 to the 36th power. We'd like that power to go away so that we would just be left with I. So what you have to do is take the 36th root of both sides. If you take the 36th root of something to the 36th power, the root cancels the power and you're just left with 1 plus I over 12. And here, you're going to have to take the 36th root of these two big numbers that are over top of each other, this fraction here. Well, we're trying to solve for A. We're going to have to subtract 1, and then we're dividing by 12, so we multiply both sides by 12. And all I do is type this into my calculator, 12 multiplied by the 36th root, then I put in the fraction, put in those big numbers, then go outside the square root, put a minus 1, close the bracket, press equals, and I get 0.0800. That's 8 hundredths, which is really 8%. 8 over 100 means 8%. Percent means percentage. There you go. Well, there's the first question, all done.